Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're taking a look at a portafilter holder by Normcore. And it does look like an avocado. This thing is minuscule, very small, but actually it's pretty stable. In fact, what I want to do is just weigh it one time. It weighs 262 grams. So, I mean, it's not super heavy, but it is minuscule, very small. And you know what? It's a really, really cool tool. But you're probably asking yourself, well, does this little guy fit my portafilter? So what we're going to do today is just do a short workflow with a 58 millimeter. We're also going to take a look at a 54 spouted, a 54 bottomless. We're going to look at a La Specialista by DeLonghi. We're going to look at an ECP by DeLonghi, bottomless, and then finally a bottomless Normcore, and just see how these all fit. So let's just get to it right away. The idea is you want to put your portafilter in there and it should hold it for you. So you'll notice there that in some portafilters this is not exactly level, but I mean this one on its own is even less level, as you can see. So the good thing is it holds it in place for you, and you can go ahead and do your workflow. So you can just put on your dosing funnel, you can pour in your coffee powder, do a little bit of WD-ing like so, and then you can go ahead and do your tamp.
Getting value from this video? Please take a moment to like and subscribe.
So you might want to, in some cases, actually hold it up so it's level. And that is really the only thing that I have to say about this portafilter holder. But as you can see, it worked fine. 58 millimeters in this case worked. If we take a look at this one, I'm sure many people have seen this before. We can put this in here. This is the Breville 54 millimeter or Sage 54 millimeter. You can see it's quite nice and flat in there, so that you can go ahead, put on your dosing funnel, do some WD-T, and then tamp it. And the nice thing is it provides here a nice stable base for you to tamp into. So that does work. I think probably the most interesting thing is, does it work for bottomless? Because as you see, bottomless, that just flops all over the place like that. That's not ideal. Does it fit in here? Heck yeah, it does. Real nice. So it's not perfectly flat, but it holds it really well so that you can put on your funnel, you can put in your coffee grounds, you can do your WD-T, and hold it just slightly level with one hand and give it a nice tamp. So 54 millimeter bottomless, that's a Normcore, that works well. This is from the La Specialista or from the new DeLonghi Dedica Maestro Plus. This one, it fits okay. You have to make sure that this lip is right here, otherwise it can fall down. So that one's not ideal. Then you've got the ECP. This is the 3531 or the 3420. That fits, ooh, real nice. So you can see the portafilters that have got this kind of cut right here in the portafilter, that just fits really nice into the holder. Delightful, just like that. Okay, and then another Normcore. Of course, this is going to fit perfect because again, it's got this nice like indentation here, so it's going to hold, ooh, real nice. So that one works well as well. And yeah, I guess that's about it. It so far has worked for just about every one that I have tried. Of course, no review would be finished without trying the famous Gage Classic Pro portafilter. You'll see that this one is not round as this one is. This is a 57 millimeter Lilith. That fits in there perfect. So really, any kind of shape that's cylindrical like that, or even if it's got a bit of an indentation, as long as it's round, it's going to be fine and it will fit in here quite well. This one, however, does not fit very well because here it's like tapered outwards. So, I mean, you can set it in there, but if you apply pressure, I don't know if you can guarantee it's going to fit just right. So say it's not really a go for this one, but for just about every other one I've tried, it has worked well. And the description says it works for 51 to 58 millimeter portafilters, and for me, it has. And so for me, nice ergonomic addition to my setup. All right, thanks very much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and see you next time.